Yo, what's good, guys? Oh, wait. What the heck? Oh, yeah. Happy 4th of July, guys. I was busy because we were doing fireworks and all that stuff. Yes, guys, and today we're going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Anyways, I did make some. I used to play this a long time ago. Like, Joe Mama. What's it? Bro. Why are you laughing? This is,
There's some more
it.
details.
That's it.
It's too booty.
Like, that's the entire boat, bro.
Yes.
What about Eli?
What's Eli?
I don't know. I was bored. Alright, extra protect.
Should we like build it up all the way?
I think we should. Wait, is Joe Mama one?
Bro, what the heck is wrong
Wait.
with this?
Wait. Oh, Sigma. I know what to do next. Wait, how much blocks do I have?
Bro, let's build a bigger bow.
Bigger boat?
Yeah, a bigger bow.
Hey, why is it not loading? Why is it? Wait,
I'm gonna put some bombardillo crocodilo.
Actually, I have a good idea.
I'm gonna put some engine.
Actually, I know what to do now.
What?
Let's just make
Why did this thing so rare?
a thing like this. Look.
Bro,
Like
like,
this.
why did this block so rare?
Which block?
This block.
I don't know what block you're talking about.
Why did you block?
By the way, I think my ideas should be good. And look, because it just glitched. But bro, okay, never mind. Nah, it just spawned. Bro,
Bro, look, this block. Why is this block so rare?
that block?
Yes.
It's because you have to beat the entire game. The entire game. You have to reach the end.
Do I put it?
If you want, yeah. Anyways,
Go to do here.
I have 315. You're not richer than me, little boy. How much do you have?
314.
Let me see.
314.
You're 358. Then win.
Game it.
Guys, I'm almost done with my idea. Please tell me I'm more. Yes, I do. Like this slimy block. I don't know why.
Wait. Well, you have those?
Hmm.
Why do you have two then? Let me put it.
Okay.
Ew, no, delete it.
Why you said ew?
Ew, no, delete it.
And I'm gonna place my jetpack.
No, delete it.
Let me equip it.
Delete it.
Alright, fine. How much blocks do you have? How much blocks do you have?
500. Of one.
No, you don't.
Dude, just come on.
Anyways, if you have a lot of blocks, put two over here, like, you know.
I think those are the... Or why is it like... Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm fine.
I do not want to launch the... What the? How do you go to jetpack?
No, you gotta buy it, bro, with Robux.
It's not with Robux.
Did you place it? Place it! Yeah, let me see your screen.
I did.
Let me see your
It's
screen.
a wood.
Wait, let me see your screen real quick. Let me see it.
What's the big idea? You know? Oh no. Oh, I know.
How much blocks do you have? Let me see if it's enough.
No, it is not enough.
Bro, what the hell? Oh, you place a wood. I think that should be good. Yes, I do have a jetpack. I gotta buy with Robux. Yes, I got a big one money. Oh yeah, we gotta buy second C, bro.
Here, you got the jetpack.
Yes. No, actually, you could buy one.
Buy one, get one.
Right here. Right there. Well, I'm basically just. Wow, what is that, bro? What I'm basically saving up for is the big blocks. Like, I'm trying to buy a lot of blocks, to be honest. 100 blocks?
What does it say 100 blocks?
You could buy pets? What?
Well, I'm gonna buy the jetpack.
PvP. Nah, I'm good, bro.
I'm gonna be broke after about the jetpack though.
I know you are. But still, you should buy a piece. If it breaks, you can start flying. Like, slowly and reach to the end. That's how I get to the end.
I know. Your friend gave this to us.
Alright, anyways. Bro, come on. Get in the ball.
Bro,
I'm gonna be
where's
driving.
my seat?
You place your own team.
Okay, then. Seats.
I'm gonna launch it.
Stop. Where is my seat? Oh.
Are you place that one, bro?
Yes.
Fine.
Bro, it's too fat.
I know you have one of those black seats, bro.
The star.
Oh, it's right there. Place one.
Why would I go in the ground? How do I place it up?
Man, do you want me to help you? Taking forever.
Go back.
It kind of forever.
I got it.
Let's try.
Here. Down here. Bro.
Oh my god.
Open.
I know. Wait.
Can you do it? I don't want to just like not doing it.
The heck? What is that?
Oh.
There. Sit down.
But then you're not going to be able to close the door.
Yes, I will. Oh, I bet.
Okay. No, you didn't.
You have the front view. You have the front. Wait, I'm gonna be right back, guys. Wait.
Going to get the demon charger?
No.
We just died.
Alright, I'm back. But we barely just on the rock?
Mm-hmm.
Bro. It can take forever. Don't mind what that's my little secret hack. Alright, so far you have the front view. Which I think this is a pretty good idea, unless if you face forward and you're dead.
Dang, but why did it?
I could open the door, bro.
Dang, why that tree so?
If you want to come in now. I guarantee.
I can't.
Bro, jump off. You won't die. You won't die.
How do I jump? Okay.
You won't die. I promise you. Promise you.
Ah! Yeah, I can't go.
Oh god. If the seats get deleted, you can now. Which they're basically hitting your front view, to be honest. As you can see, I beat all of it. Like, see. Anyways, thank you guys for like. How the heck did you guys even give me 5K views on Lethal 8 Part 1, bro? Like, how? And thank you, bro. And over after I make those videos, I earned 24 subscribers.
I was going to hit us. Oh
my god! Bro, why did I take so much damage? Oh, nah. You're cooked, Abraham. You're cooked. Oh god! No, please go away. Go away. Why is that coming after us?
Oh!
Brother, I think you might die.
I'm a chill guy.
Okay, thank god the alligator ones are not there. There's ain't no way that freaking spawns in front of us, bro.
Oh, popcorn.
Ooh. And some did. Oh my god. Bro, why is there so much? What's the big idea? Bro. My God, I hate these, bro. They hit your seat. Come inside, bro. Please. I have to close the door soon. Yeah, I'm closing it, bro. But as soon as the seeds breaks, I'm gonna open it, alright? Oh my God! Imagine how it feels to be in the front view. Oh yeah, you're definitely dead.
Bro, look at my view right now, bro.
Oh no.
No, like look at my view. Look.
Dang. My view's not crazy.
Bro, imagine this in real life.
I can literally see your
Bro,
thing.
but imagine this in real life.
Bro, don't not say that. Please don't. You lost a freaking leg.
Oh, what the heck? I lost both of my legs.
Oh God. How are you?
I lost an arm.
Bro, really?
Wait, that was kind of fun.
Bro, if that thing flips in the wrong side, you're dead.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Bro, why is this dumb, honey? Bro, move. And we have 2 more to conquer. Yeah, I think I'm dead for sure. I'm literally under there, bro. Please don't hit his IT. Yes, you have the front view. You're dead.
No.
Squeeze in. Yes, sir.
Can we just? Oh no.
Oh no. Oh, no. No, you can literally see my seat.
Oh yeah.
Who this person wants to join my team? Sorry, but no. My God.
We're leaving.
Oh my God, bro.
I got literally put my head.
I think I'm gonna die first.
No.
Bro, we're so close.
I'm dead.
Yeah, you are. Oh shoot. I opened it.
I'm bold.
I opened it. Good luck on that, bro. You're dead. For sure.
know.
Oh my God. Guys, my brother just died.
Bro, see, that's why I told you to like not play.
Oh God.
That's pretty good enough.
I'm still going, guys. My brother is at the end, as you can see. I'm at the hut. And I have a jetpack. So, yeah. Plus, yeah, I have my jetpack, so if it breaks, I could just keep flying, to be honest. But, is that cannonballs? No, please do not tell me. Please do not tell me. Oh! Get up! Bro, what was that? No, this is rigged. What the heck? Bro, what is that dumb noise? Anyways, I think we should try more.
Bro, they sound like.
I want to buy more blocks, to be honest, to last us more longer.
I already did about like a decent amount.
Here, let me see.
Okay, first.
I'm definitely gonna buy more blocks. We need it.
9 wood blocks, 2 concrete blocks,
Which one's the best one?
Rusty block, 3 rusty blocks, 5 concrete, 4
Gimme.
4 wall.
What are you yapping about? My bad.
I should have given you if you're doing that.
Joe Mama's obviously the most OP one. Oh my God. Guys.
Wait, I know what to do so it can secure me more.
What?
Yeah,
Oh, I know. Let me see. Excuse me. Can you move?
I'm doing something.
Can you move your character, please?
No, what are they doing?
I think we had the same idea. Why is this block so small, bro? What are you
Oh,
doing?
what the heck is it levitating? I'm doing something.
You could do whatever, to be honest.
Thank you.
Are you doing what I'm thinking?
Yes, please.
Mm,
Why are you lagging?
I'm not lagging, bro.
Why are my blocks deleted?
Man, I don't know. It takes a while.
Why are my blocks deleted?
I don't know. Anyways.
Okay, why the heck are my blocks actually deleted? What the heck is
Just
wrong?
like I said, I don't know.
Dang
Bro,
it.
what the heck?
Just join me, bro.
I'm not joining you. I'm already here, bro.
Just join me, like,
No.
this is why you beautiful.
Anyways. Anyways. Guys, I'm gonna wait for my brother. And it's been 15 minutes since I started recording. Alright, he joined. We have to get at the end, bro. We have to. Not an option. Are you joining my team? Hello? Alright. Anyways. Alright. As we could see, Joe Mama. Yeah. Do that. Load it. So my brother's gonna do what he was gonna do. Which I don't really remember. Where's the blocks? Where's the blocks? Where's the big blocks? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna do this first. One block there. I'm gonna make it secure as possible. I'm gonna do this. Yes, sir. Do that. Do this. Do that. Do this. Then do that. Do this. And do that. Do that. Yeah, basically I'm just wrapping it all over.
Okay, but I was playing multiplayer.
You cannot still?
Yeah.
Why? What are you even trying to do?
I'm trying to, like, I'm trying to do this, like,
Oh, that?
yeah.
Okay, delete it. I got you. Return the blocks. Got you, buddy.
I could delete, but I cannot place.
That kind of makes sense. Okay, so you're trying to do this, this. Oh, I know what you're trying to do now. Okay.
For those.
I don't know. Spot them.
Oh, come on.
Brother, do not tell me hurry up. Wait, that should be good. That. Like that. Then like. Wait. That. 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 Like that. Like that?
Yeah, they place, like, and then, like,
Oh.
once we go in, then I could, like, place, like, something to, like, cover it.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Let me do this. Other side too.
Oh, I know what you're going to do. I do the top.
Yeah. Oh no, I don't have that much blocks. I do have enough blocks though. Already, yeah, this right here.
And then these, then this, then this, then this, bro.
Oh, and that's what you want to do?
Yes.
And then like that?
Yeah.
Like that? Oh! That's smart.
It kind of like a person. Like if you like this one kind of.
I'm not gonna have enough blocks, I think. Great. I'm not gonna have enough at all. I'll do it the other side. Boom. Bam. Come on, one more block, I think. Yes.
No, delete that, delete that, delete that.
Okay. There. Oh my god, I'm tired, bro. I haven't been sleeping alone.
Yo, much.
Oh yes. That's the blocks I need. I think we could complete it now for sure. See? Boom, bam, pow. Bada boom, bam, pow. Boom, bam. Oh, pow. See that? Dang, that's pretty secure for you. What about me, bro?
You're inside.
No, I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to do that. Look, I'm trying to do this. Look, delete all of these that you just placed.
Bro.
Where's your roof, brother?
I don't have one.
I'm gonna build
My
it.
dad said I'm too poor to afford one.
Bro.
Okay, then no.
Wait, let me go to roof for you.
No, for me.
Yeah. Alright, now.
Wait, it's kind of like a hallway, kinda.
Oh,
Like a
yeah.
very, very small hallway.
So place your chair, by the way. And place.
We should have placed it out here.
No.
In there.
I will beat you a door.
Yo, we got 2 doors.
Yes. That one for you, and I'm inside. Hopefully.
I'm stuck.
What you mean you're stuck? Oh. Just click on it. Anyways.
And how about the other door?
Yeah, anyway, my idea was this. You could place this like here, right? Then here. Then like a Beyblade, for example. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right there, and right there. Like a Beyblade, like that.
Oh, and then like the other side and this side and this
Yes.
side?
So,
Oh!
so that according, so how much was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. 10 blocks.
And I think I could do the other side.
You do this side. I think I have enough blocks. Think. 1.
But is this a correct angle? Wait.
Bam, bam. Nah, bro, I'm still gonna need more, bro. Got to spend more. One comment, I don't care about that. Just need blocks. I'm gonna buy a ton of comments. Alright. That should be enough blocks, to be honest.
Boom. Boom. Bam. Bam.
Oh.
Boom. Boom. Bam. Bam.
That.
One block. One block.
That and. But we're taking forever to build this. And I for sure, the viewers are not gonna join this. Wait. Matter of fact, I might just end it at right here. Wait, guys.